Hi there, I'm Liman, an MP Ambassador from the Diploma in International Trade and Business. I'm at the School of Business and Accountancy, or BA for short. We have so much in store for you and I can't wait to show you all the unique experiences you'll get as a BA student. Let's not waste any more time and come on in! Do you know that BA is one of the most established business schools in Singapore? And that's why I joined BA. I hope to gain a strong fundamental in business and hopefully learn it in the future. Hi!
Hello.
I love the vibes here at BA. Everyone is so warm and welcoming. Personally, I spend a lot of time here catching up with my classmates or discussing about our projects. Now, let's take a look at the smart classrooms. Check out our smart classrooms. Aren't they cool? At BA, you will get a chance to learn in smart classrooms as part of your student experience. This includes working on projects and pitching your ideas to fellow classmates. All the equipment is here to enhance your learning. Use the interactive panel to beam your presentations and make your notes on the spot. That's not all. Learning goes beyond the classroom at NP. You'll get loads of hands-on learning experiences here, such as projects with industry partners, community projects, and exciting learning journeys. Some of my seniors have been on internships at multinational companies like EY, DBS, and Shell, giving them plenty of industry exposure. Others have gone overseas for immersion and study trips. I believe all these experiences will help us to hit the ground running right after graduation. Don't take my word for it. My friends agree with me too. Let's hear it from them.
The school has definitely developed me holistically as a person and as a student, because firstly, the modules designed by the school actually shaped me into a future-ready student with many relevant hard and soft skills that you can pick up and learn along the way. So for example, the business communication module is one very important module which will shape your soft skills, because we actually have presentations, meetings and all to actually give you an insight and experience how to communicate professionally in the business world.
My most memorable experience while studying in NP would be the Financial Planning Awards competition that my friends and I took part in. The competition required me to consolidate what I have learned from all of my modules to design a personalized financial plan for a client to meet his financial goals. This has allowed me to develop the linkages between the different modules. My team and I emerged as the top 5 finalists in the student category with the help and guidance of my lecturers and industry mentors.
Seeing how my seniors have gone on to make waves in other countries makes me believe that I too can do it.
Studying accounting has also been actually beneficial for me. While accounting is a niche skill set, its career opportunities are endless. You could go into investments, FP&A, internal-external audit, compliance, risk management, tax, forensics accounting, valuations, and the list goes on. And I encourage you to identify some of these areas you would like to explore and find something you like. You could also take the opportunity to speak to different individuals or your career mentor to find out more about these areas.
My biggest takeaway till today from the School of BA would be the mentors, the life mentors and the friends that I've gotten out from this entire 3 years of education. A lot of the lecturers and the tutors are now my friends, and some of them have also become my mentors as well in life. And I still meet up with them, I still learn a lot from them, and they continue to walk with me on this journey as I go on to my professional career.
Convinced they need to make BA your first business choice? If you want to have a solid grounding in business discipline, you've got to join MP School of Business and Accountancy. Can't wait to see you here!